Angela Roth with roth.scentsy.us, here to talk about scents today. Very Perry Pumpkin is so good. This is our scent of the month for October, and it's heavy on the pumpkin, a little lighter on the pear. Fabulous! Goes with our Grateful Harvest warmer for October. Always have that new scent of the month each month. Salted caramel cupcake. Oh my gosh, I just wish you could smell this through the video. I keep opening it like you can smell it. So yummy. As we go into fall and winter, we're all looking for those heavier smells, the food smells that remind us of the holiday. Crumb Top is wonderful. Boho is a little bit of a lighter scent. It's like winter fruits with a little bit of clove studding in them. Autumn Blaze Maple, oh my god. Cedar Cider, fabulous. Cider Mill, of course, heaven on earth still, so absolutely wonderful. So many scents. Go to the website roth.scentsy.us and check them all out. Thanks.